Hi guys, it's Shelly here. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. So since the beginning of the year, I haven't actually bought a book for myself, but I've kind of broken that rhythm I had going by getting Karolina Kubikowska's newest book, Circle of Nature, and her Memories postcard set. And I had it on my mind that eventually I would want to consider getting it, but I know a lot of her books have always gone out of print, so I think she might be one of those artists that have a limited number of copies, and so I didn't want to miss out on it. And I thought, okay, I haven't got anything for a while, let me just jump in and get these, and I'm not disappointed, guys. Her artwork is absolutely beautiful. I know not everyone is very keen on her artwork, especially certain illustrations, but I think they're just outstanding, and the quality of her books are beautiful. So I couldn't resist myself, and so I will just share a flip through with you guys. I'm sure you guys have all seen it. There must be so many flip throughs out there already because I didn't get the book as soon as it came out. But yeah, I thought I'd share a flip through on the channel with you guys. And I've got the book, not the premium quality. I think she released 2 versions of her book Circle of Nature, so I just got the normal one, which is still amazing quality anyways, and then I got the Memories postcard set. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, the postcards are a re-release, so she did have postcard sets previously as separate sets, which is now combined all in one, and she calls it the Memories postcard coloring book. And I think they've also got a little bit more enlarged, so they're slightly bigger than the postcards she had released previously. And I don't have any of her postcard sets. In fact, I don't have all of her books. I just jumped into getting her art style quite recently, mostly because you can only get them on Etsy and they are obviously quite pricey. But I think this time I could justify it because I haven't got anything since December. So here's a flip through for you guys. I will put it to music just to let you know that the Circle of Nature book is a hardback book, which is really nice. The quality of the paper is really good, medium to thick quality. It's one-sided, and you do get a few pages with her original colored version, which is really nice, just to give some inspiration and some idea of what kind of colors she would use to color her pages. Although my coloring style is very different, she might more than likely is probably using watercolor paints, possibly, but my coloring style is very different, very bright, so it'll probably be a little bit different to the examples at the beginning of the book. But it's nice to have those there, and I might try and replicate the ones that she has included in the book when I come to color those pages. And it's a stitch bound book, and like I said, it's one-sided, and you get about 35 illustrations in the Circle of Nature book, and in the postcard set you get 90 postcards, and they're not small postcards. So I think Clara Markova's postcards are a little bit bigger. I think Rita Berman's are like a normal postcard size, and I feel like Karolina Kubikowska's postcards are slightly bigger than Clara Markova's, so still quite a nice size of an illustration to color on cardstock, thick cardstock. So although the books had obviously been released a while ago, I thought I'd still share a flip through just in case you haven't come across them, in case you're interested. I'll put it to music now and leave you guys in peace, and I'll be back with you guys again soon. So until then, take care, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.